Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150. We're talking about that generation here, year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the relay for the telescoping side rear view mirrors are located. Guys, if your telescoping mirrors do not work, we'll explain which two relays you need to check. One is for extracting the mirrors, for extending. One is for actually contracting them. So two relays will need to be checked. We'll explain where to buy cheap relays and fuses from so you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, okay, the fuse videos here so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. We'll guys demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150. If you have extracting mirrors, we'll explain where the relays are located. We have 2 different fuse boxes. We'll need to work in the fuse box that's under the hood, known as engine bay fuse box or battery junction box. And if we come right here, you see your car battery is right there, 12-volt battery right behind it. You have a fuse box here, and that fuse box, guys, if you open it, you will see a layout that will look just like this one. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, now right here, guys, okay, you will see that you have different kinds of relays, fuses. Those could be really expensive, hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, so that way you save money and you don't waste your money, hard-earned money, guys. So if we come right here in the fuse box, on the very right side, on the top towards the windshield side, you will, guys, have these 2 relays. The right relay right here is for the telescoping side mirrors, and this is, guys, right here, this is the retract function, the one that brings them in. And this relay right here, this is the extract function. This is the one that extends them, guys, the extend function. So these 2 relays will need to be checked if you have problems with the side telescoping mirrors. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.